They're so ugly. Because of this or because of my hormones, I don't know. I just don't feel pretty. Whatever I do, I don't feel pretty. Kailangan ko pag-video, nakapag-reels, whatever. There's a lot. And I don't, hindi ako nag-ayos today. Like, this is my birthplace. Sana lang mag-umulan ng malakas kasi may appointment ako sa dentist ko kahit may bagyo. Ayoko man umalis ng bahay pero I need to go kasi nasakit na yung teeth ko. I just think I need to take a video of this kasi tinakasal ko yung anak ko. Hindi siya with his lola. Tapos pagtalikod, tumakbo na ako po. At least. Kasi nagising agad. Hindi ko alam ko ulit na siya magigising. Hindi pala. Ano ko makikita hungry. Nagugulong ako. Pero I don't know what to eat. Nandun naman yung daddy niya. And I'm still worried kasi ngayon lang ako mabubunutan. Parang huling-bunot sa akin. Elementary pa ako. Kasi simula na nabuntis ako. Ngayon na lahat ng teeth ko. I don't know why. At dahil sa calcium, kinuha na lahat ng anak ko yung calcium ko sa katawan. Kaya naman. Ayun. Kahit likod ka, sumasakit. Ang arty naman natin. So, nai-stress ako. Pag-ligaw dapat sabay kami aalis. Kaso, kailangan kong takasan yung anak ko. Kaya nauna na ako. Naglaga na siya dito gitna. Bakit sa akin po kaya yun? Nasakit ko kasi masakit ko. Hindi ko yung ano ko yung kabila ko yung nasakit. Yung dito ko. Hindi ko nasakit yung bubunutin. Actually, ano yung ito ko? Parang everyday lang. Parang hindi ko siyang kumakit yung dito. Opo. Huwag ka lang ko na magpabulo. Sige. Anong color sa'yo? Violet. Okay. Sa'yo, ano? Ito pili ka muna. Pink na lang. Pula? Ay, pink. No, Barbie lang. May pa-Barbie pa ako dito pa ngayon. Parang babae. Parang babae. Bakit? Hindi mo pa ba sure? Nasakit na ito? Pag antibiotics na, bubunutin din mo. Huwag na tayo bunot ang bunot. Mamaya, walang ka pa naman. Iusod ko na lang itong magang ko. Uy, mas maganda, bagay sa'yo. Kasi pag hindi natin hingin antibiotics yan, may nana, hindi at tatabla ng anesthesia, masakit din. Kaya sasabihin nila, ang sakit-sakit ng dentista doon. Kasi tinira, kahit may nana. Ako, pag nasakit, hindi ko ginagabot ko muna. Pag wala na yung nana, ang bilis ng anesthesia dito. Pero yung may nana, kahit dalawa o tatlong anesthesia. Nandito ako. Kaya yun, ngayon alam mo na. Depende sa kinakain mo. Yan, magmumug ka na din.
Let's play together. No, there's so many. I can't play two. That's mine.
Opo, it's yours. Bakit parang kulang ito na? Ano isa? Hanapin ito. Where's the other, where's the other ganto? Ayun. Like this.
Yay! Get a fish. Hindi na nakaantay eh. Binuksan na. Wow! It's a police. It's armies. May sasakyan din, oh. What's that? What's this?
What's this?
Where do you put this? What is the... Ah! Let's make this.
What's that? Rock.
What? It's a stone.
And then,
I'll make this for you. Daddy busy. Mag-scatter.
a glass.
Ilan taon na tayo, Daddy, pag
A
2027?
glass.
Ilan taon ka na lang?
30 na ako na.
30 ka na lang? Bakit? 28 next year. 29 pa lang.
Mom, my glass.
Hmm?
Mom, my tree.
Yeah, it's a tree.
My tree is falling down.
Why? Why is it falling down?
Look, it's falling down. It's Mom.
It can stand up? No, it's okay. Oh. See? It can stand up.
Mom, give it the
I will fix
oil.
it, Tia. I will fix it. Wait. I'll give it to you when I'm done. Look. It's a tank.
Give it the top.
I'll fix it for you. What should we do about this? It's a sandy too. Oh no!
It's okay.
It's okay.
Ayan. Oh my God!
Ang hilig mag-oh my God ng anak mo eh. Ano natututunan yan?
Mom, Dad.
What? Is
Lalo yung
that?
kanina, pinaglaro ko sa labas.
Saan labas?
Yan.
Something is falling.
Inikot niya yung buong dito eh.
Oo.
Pawisan siya eh.
Ha 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 ha.
Natawa mag-isa oh. Ang galing na maglaro ng anak ko. Mag-play pretend. Can you please turn off your phone? I hate the sound. It repeats over and over again.
Mom.
Wow, you have so many bang-bangs. You stand it here. You put,
Where's the daddy tree?
the tree should be here so it doesn't fall over.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Ang arte eh. Naman ka sa mami mong maarte, no?
I can win.
What?
I can win.
You can win?
Yeah.
Brown versus green. How many brown are there?
10.
10?
No.
Can you count it?
Okay. Wait. Let's put it. What is that?
I don't know what is that.
It's a moon star.
It's
Moon and star.
moon and star. Dominoes.
I win.
You win?
Yeah.
Oh, Shantali.
Nak, don't shout.
May your toys, ang dami na, no?
Kaya nga. Ay, po. Okay.
Mom, the helicopter is here to rescue.
Yeah, I know. Look,
Adil.
where should we put this one?
It's helicopter.
I know, you put the flag here to the botas.
No, it's broken. It's broken.
not broke it. I'm fixing it.
Mom, I want the hat. Give me the hat.
Wait lang. I will fix it, anak. Look, oh, you will put it here, like that. It's their flag. See? That's how it is.
Mom, up.
What is that?
Mom, up there.
It's a...
Mom, that's mine.
I know. I'm putting it inside. Dapat green versus brown.
Look, there's all them two cars.
Ang dami na naman toys.
I win.
You win. Wow,
Yeah.
good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na yan. Tangan nandito sa numbers.
Yun lang ang pinansin. Yung sasakyan. Hindi na pinansin yung mga tao. Dami na.
Yun na nga, ayusin nga rin dito.